The 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, trip computer, compass, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps. Come take a test drive today.